Thukuru wa anake wa Murang'a hai ukiyukireria na njira nene mwaka-ini uyu kiringithanio na mwaka muhituku thutha wa kugia na grade ya A itari ndute kindu 50 na mean grade guthie iguru ta uria principal Willy Kuria aratariria.
Tugite na uhoro wa ku improve shukuru igathie na mbere gukira haria irari mwaka ucio irathirire tondu twina A 50 na last year twina A 15 twacoka tukagia na A minus 106 B plus 103 B 62 B minus 51 C plus 23 C kenda na C minus 6.
Naguo thukuru wa anake wa Pioneer mwena wa Murang'a ugikungwira maumirira ma arutwo aria manyitite A itari ndute na wangi kimanjika makanyita grade ya A minus.
Ni kuri mekite wega muno to ni kuri atandatu ao maranyitire grade A ya 84 points. Iyo niyo grade ile iguru muno na cienge no mekite wega ni tuna ngatho muno kuri Ngai ni otani uyu munene ni kurathima wira wa moko maitu.
Got A of 81 points, and this first of all I have to thank God because he's the one who gave me these marks. He's the one who also gave me the energy to keep on like studying. He also gave me the energy to sacrifice a lot because when you want to achieve such a grade, you have to make a lot of sacrifices. Like I used to wake up at 4 in the morning just to come and read.
I really love the way people, come around when you have success. And so the way to get to the A is you have to combine working smart and working hard. And also always put God first.
Thukuru wa iretu wa Pioneer mwena wa Del Monte unawe kiyukireria na njira nene guku muiretu wa mbere akigia na grade ya A ya points 84.
And we are thanking God for what he has done to us. I have said it's a very special day for us because this year we managed to get an A plane of 84 points.
By God's grace, I got an A minus of 78 points, and I would just like to encourage and to advise anyone out there in high school who is looking forward to academic success to always put God first in everything that you do and to put in the efforts and to put in the hard work.
Thukuru wa iretu wa Mugoiri naguo kigia na airetu 35 aria mari na grade ya A minus guku thukuru wa Mioro de secondary o naguo ukiyukiriria. Thukuru wa anake wa Jiris mwena wa Kigumo ugikungwira maumirira mega kuona ukoretwo ugikungwira o mwaka.
Tuona ati hena arutwo above 34 aria marikiti kugia grade ya A na hena arutwo angi makiria maigana rimwe aria marikiti kugia grade ya B plus.
Aciari ta George wa Ciuri na wa Boy wa Kihara magikenerera hamwe na ciana ciao.
Ni tukenete muno muthenya wa umuthi ni tondu wa Pioneer School guteithiriria mark kunyita marks icio na aciari ona yangi gukorwo mari support njega.
Ni twacokeria thukuru wa Pioneer ndego na tandatu mena A. Thukuru wa Pioneer nduri itheru.
Mathukuru maingi kaunti-ini ya Murang'a magithie na mbere na gwika wega igeranio-ini guku aciari makihoyo kunyitirira nginya ciana iria itagukorwo cikinyitie grade ya guthie university. Wakiigua kamuvwa ngunyera niguo ngururirie na nguthererie tondu gaka ni kanya kohoro kuma metumi ndigi magoro ritwa riakwa ni Sera wa Boy wa Mwangi.